Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can temporarily disable an app on your iPhone. Okay, so if you're visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to settings, and from here just scroll it down and go to general. Okay, and after that go to iPhone storage. So here you can find all the apps you have installed in your iPhone. So to temporarily disable that app, you just have to select that app. For example, let's say that I just want to temporarily disable my YouTube Studio app. So I will simply click on this and I will click on this offload app. Now it's done. To use this app again, you just have to simply click on this app and it will be installed automatically to your iPhone again. So that's simply how you can disable an app on your iPhone. I hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.